上个孕期咳嗽要吃抗生素，这次我特别注意，材料我都选用新鲜的。
For the first time, I would like my name just because of the way you say it. And I would memorize every line and hair to remember.